Hi guys, Elledani here, and today I am a part of another huge makeup collab. This collab specifically has to do with purple and yellow, so I did kind of a purple gradient with a bright yellow inner corner. I used the Violets by Juvia's Place, as well as the yellow and some shimmer from the James Charles palette. But we'll get more into that as I do the look. A huge thanks to Jasmine Hewitt, who put this whole collab together for us. Definitely make sure you check out her channel, which I've linked down below, along with the playlist that has all of the other videos from this collab. There's definitely a bunch of amazing artists, so after you watch this, make sure you check those out. Other than that, let's get into the look. So I did already do my base. I have a primer, BB cream, contour, and then concealer. I did put concealer on the, pretty much on my whole eye area as a primer there too. For the purple here, we're going to go on with this Juvia's Place, the Violets palette. I've wanted this palette for a long time. I think I got it on sale for $8 or $10 in Ulta's recent sale, so done a lot of Ulta shopping lately because their sales have been amazing, but that video is coming soon, and once that is available, I will definitely link that right here. So we're going to start with this purple here. I'm going to start putting that like a third over, so right about like the midsection of my eye. That is laying down really pretty right off rip. And then I'm just kind of going to work that down here. But I'm going to leave that inner corner kind of empty. You will see why in a moment. With a little bit of a denser brush, I'm going to take that dark purple here, and I'm going to go to the edges and wing that out. I'm going to wet this brush with my setting spray a little bit, just to make it a little bit damp and maybe pick that color up a little bit better. So I took the darkest color and definitely created a bit of a wing there. Now I'm going to go back in with the fluffier part of the brush and just kind of blend that color into the lighter color and down. Created sort of an outline with the darker purple, and I'm just going in with the lighter to kind of blend back. And then I'm going to take a really light brush with that lighter purple, and I'm just going to blend the edges. So once again, I'm going to spray that brush We're going to bring that darkest color onto the waterline, right at the edges. And then we're going to do the lighter color coming into the center. I just went and kind of like refined the darker shades of purple around the edges of this kind of winged gradient look. So now I'm going to go in with concealer and just cut about the first third of my eye. So you can see the first third of my eye is cut there. I'm going to give that just a second to dry. And I'm actually going to take the concealer just around a little bit. I'm going to go into the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this really pretty yellow down here. And we're going to pop that all right where that concealer is. I'm finding with this yellow, I'm really having to like pack it on. And then we're going to wrap that yellow right under the eye. Then I'm going to go in with this like just really shimmery pearly color there. And I'm just going to pop that right in the very corners. Oh, I'm also going to pop that color right on my brow bone. I'm also going to take it right here. So I think it needs to be just a little bit darker in some places. So I'm going in with this plum color in the James Charles palette. And I'm just going to, oh yeah, I'm just going to darken some places up just a little bit. So I topped that with the purple metallic lip that came out of the post-holiday sale haul. So that's it. That is the final look. I definitely would have never put purple and yellow together myself, but I love how it turned out. I definitely love like the purple gradient with the yellow on the inside, and I love the contrast with the really, really bold purple lip. It's totally not something I would ever do on my own, but that's the point of a collab to me though, is to get out of the box and kind of do something a little bit different and challenge myself. Use colors in my palettes that I would never normally use. So I'm pretty excited. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thanks to Jasmine for putting this all together. Definitely make sure you check out her channel down below, along with the playlist that's got all the other videos from this collab. A lot of really amazing makeup artists, so make sure you guys check that out. Until next time.